Hello guys, welcome back to the e-commerce web project video series. Today we are diving into developing a Remember Me add-on for the sign-in process. I am Tejuna Alexander from the Java Institute for Advanced Technology in Sri Lanka. Before we get started, let's clarify the purpose of the Remember Me add-on. Essentially, it allows websites to remember a user's identity between sessions. This is typically achieved by sending a cookie to the browser, which is then detected during future sessions, enabling automated login. In our previous video, you learned about the sign-in process. Now, let's integrate the Remember Me functionality using the same code. Just like we assign IDs to each field in the sign-in box, we also need to give an ID to the Remember Me option. Moving to the script.js file, within the same function used to pass the data to the server side during the sign-up process. We'll add another variable to handle the Remember Me option. This variable checks if the checkbox is checked and if so includes it in the ajax request along with the sign-in process data. Now let's head over to the sign-in process.php file. Here we start a session because we'll be using cookies. Cookies are small files of information generated by web server and sent to a web browser. They allow us to store user data, making it easily accessible. We then set cookies for the email and password. If the Remember Me checkbox is checked, we set the cookies to expire after a certain time using the time function. Otherwise, we destroy the cookies when the user clicks the sign-in button. Moving back to the index.php file within the sign-in box code, we use PHP statement to create variables and set the cookies data to the email and password fields. Okay, with everything set up, let's test if it works. Upon entering the email and password and clicking the sign-in button, we are redirected to the home page, returning to the sign-in page, and then we check if the email and password are saved in the fields. Okay, since we didn't check the Remember Me checkbox, they are not saved. However, upon signing again and checking the Remember Me checkbox, we are redirected to the home page and once again returning to the sign-in page. Okay, we see that our email and password are automatically filled in the fields. And there you have it. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the Remember Me add-on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell button to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next one.